As we look forward to the playoff round of the Red Stripe Premier League, I want to pick up on the ongoing debate about the roughness and physicality of the league. We hear coaches, players, pundits, even the national team manager complaining, and now former FIFA referee Peter Prendergast saying that referees are not to be blamed and can do nothing about the excessive physicality of the league. But not for the first time, the Maverick disagrees with Prendergast. If it's a consensus that the physicality of the league is detrimental to the development of the football, then the most logical way or method to tackle this problem is via the referees. It cannot be their mandate or even their responsibility. But in terms of directly managing the level of physicality game by game, no other component of the process is better placed than the men and women with the whistles and the flags. The players not going to regulate themselves. The coaches not going to tell the players to stop playing hard. And the JFF certainly cannot order the players how to play. It is only the referees who can nip this problem in the bud by exerting more control of the players, the games, and ultimately the football. So Jamaican referees will stop listening to Prendy and listen to the Maverick. Help us to clean up the football, if it even means issuing more warnings, and if needs be, issuing more yellow cards, and if needs be, more red cards. Yes. When is it, Prendy? Give this to me. Prendy, what is it?